kusoo dhawaada cashirkeeni barashada luuqada afka Ingiriisiga. magacaygu waa Xasan. cashirka maanta aan dhiganaynaa waa cashir 82aad weeyaan daawaday iyo dhageystaba oo ruuxantii aan kusoo qaadan doono reading practice. cashirkan wuxuu naga imanayaa channelka aan ku leenahay YouTube-ka ee Xasan Qurani channel. Hi everyone, this is Hassan from Hassan Qurani channel and welcome to our course of learning English language. Our course is today for reading practice, and then let's dive in. aan gudagallo waa barashada luuqada afka Ingiriisiga, learning English language. Casharka 82aad, lesson 82. Please subscribe the channel if you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel because we always post new videos almost every week, and we can definitely post videos on twice a week or 4 times a week. And then so to keep up with my new videos, why not you subscribe and just turn on the notification key so that whenever I post new videos you will automatically be alerted. On Facebook, you can also follow me on Facebook, Hassan Qurani. Just write down Hassan Qurani, then automatically you will see my Facebook. From there you will see thousands of videos on my profile if you just scroll down. Okay, reading practice. Here today we have got a very interesting story about the mental illness, but what I'm gonna do is only read, because here is about how it is pronounced and how we can really pronounce the words. It is really about pronunciation in short. طبعا wuxuu cashirkani ku saabsan yahay sheeko ah dadka dhimirka wax ka qaba nin ka mid ah ayaa run ahaantii sheekadan qoray. sidaa awgeed sheekadana waad dhegaysanaysaan, laakiin muhiimadda waxaad focus ka saaraysaan waxay tahay in bal ereyada sidaan u akhrinayo dabcan inkuna aad ila fiirisaan oo si fiican u dhegaysataan. Let's start. Mental illness is very common. It is a quiet disease. However, physically the disability often remains unseen. It is an affliction within one's heart, mind, and soul. You must not stereotype us as crazy people. You must understand that we have an illness. We must learn more about these devastating conditions. Let's not forget, mental illness plagues millions of people throughout the world. We don't deserve to be frowned upon or considered unimportant members of society. Any of us who are afflicted with mental illness try very hard to hide ourselves from the general public so that we are not recognized as having a disability. We don't want other people to know that we are not normal. We have worn masks throughout our lives and know which face to put on in which circumstances. We are so clever. We are so clever that our deception is usually never detected. Our illness and struggle are kept secret. Fighting the ailment can leave one confused and exhausted. Physical ailments arise from the continual battle within oneself. The battle becomes unbearable and the combatant can become too weak to continue the fight. Subconsciously, we cry for help through our actions because often we are unable to ask for help on our own. These actions are an automatic response to our mental pain. There is no thought or planning. Our minds no longer have control. We can usually remember our actions but are certainly not in control of them. We are also usually unable to explain our actions because we really don't understand them ourselves. Many people with mental illness are substance abusers, including me. We try to clear or remove the anguish by any means possible. The most common substances in descending order are coffee, cigarettes, alcohol, prescription, and illicit drugs. Unfortunately, many of these substances are greatly interfere with a solid treatment program. I have respect for people with multiple sclerosis, AIDS, and other medical ailments. Why should I not be respected for my medical ailment? Attitude towards the mentally ill must change, not just for our sake, but for the sake of all those who come into contact with us. Society must learn to accept the mentally ill for who they are. Education is a key to becoming a better person and to learning about others. A little understanding will go a long way to removing the stigmas and fears associated with mental illness. I once volunteered my services to a local charity. They knew I had a mental illness. They treated me as if I was mentally incompetent. I was given useless tasks of no importance, even though I previously had a career in the army where I used equipment worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. They believed I wasn't capable of the simplest tasks such as gardening. I most certainly can pick up a shovel. They talked slowly to me and I was never left unsupervised. This treatment made me feel inept and belittled. I have met an incredible man, however, who has the power and authority to inform the public of life with mental illness. Van Flogner is the editor of the Esquimalt News. He listened to my story and felt that the topic of mental illness was important enough to do a two-part series. He examined the political, structural, and emotional aspects of mental illness. He then ran the stories one, which were later picked up by other sister papers. He made a substantial effort on the behalf of the mentally ill to inform and educate the public about these ailments, and has recently been nominated for a journalism award for his efforts. He made a weighty contribution toward removing the stigma of mental illness. I have the deepest respect for him, and he also treated me with respect. In my entire life, Fan Flounder is the only person who has treated me as a normal human being. I have been ridiculed, belittled, abandoned by friends and family. I have been accused of being lazy and of being a useless bum who should get off his butt and work. The public needs more education to help prevent the stereotyping of us as useless and lazy people. With the proper support and medical intervention, we are capable of taking care of our families, running households, working in the public sector, and accomplishing our dreams and goals just like normal people. We can do all of that and still have time to be tortured by an illness on the top of it all. Although my illness has caused severe challenges, my wife and her family are also incredible. They have stood by me, never wavering for a single minute. My wife has had many reasons to leave me, but her love and support has made me survive. Her incredible courage to withstand some terrible situations and to still stand by my side is remarkable. All I want is to live a happy, normal life, free from prejudice. People with mental illness want the respect that many normal people take for granted. Everyone has their own bottom line. I ask that you respect mine. About the author, qoraagu waxa weeyaan ama ay ku saabsan tahay baa qofkii maxaan ku dhahdaa qoray. Patrick's first 12 years of life was normal and happy, and then his world came crashing down. He lives in Victoria with a diagnosis of manic depression. Then please you have to go to the story, and okay, as I read, then probably you have you have met or seen difficult words and vocabulary. Then it will be up to you, okay, to collect the most difficult words and vocabulary, and then you can ask me by sending, I can say, through our WhatsApp group. Haddii daawada ereyo adag aad kula kulanteen intaan akhrinayay ka ururiya ereyada adagoo dabcan waxaad kusoo diri kartaan groupka ay ardaydu ay leeyihiin ayaad run ahaantii kusoo dari kartaan oo iga soo weydiin kartaan. Or why not you ask, I can say, on Facebook. Just go to Facebook and follow me on Facebook, then you can send me and ask all those difficult verbs and words you have experienced while I was reading. And that's for today, and I would definitely say thank you for watching and listening. If you really like this video, just subscribe, like, share, or leave a comment. Have a nice day. Goodbye.